Welcome back to the Productivity Podcast, where I give you a daily productivity tip so you can get the most out of your time, your talent, and your ideas. I'm your host, Brandon White. Here we go. The Finnish sauna is a tradition as ancient as the Whispering Pines and as invigorating as a plunge in an icy lake. For centuries, Finns have embraced the ritual of the sauna, finding it just not a cleansing sweat, but a deep connection to nature, community, and even a little bit of magic. Magic that heals, fights aging and diseases, depression, helps your fitness, and will make you feel fabulous. When you feel fabulous, you're going to be your most productive self. Today, you're going to hear what the science says about taking a Finnish sauna, and then the exact sauna protocol you want to use to get the best results. The most comprehensive study on the effects of sauna bathing is titled Clinical Effects of Regular Dry Sauna Bathing, a Systematic Review. The research paper looked at 40 clinical studies involving a total of 3,855 participants. Here's a summary of the key findings. Increased cardiovascular health. Regular sauna use was linked to a reduced risk in heart disease, stroke, and sudden cardiac death. Improved heart rate variability and lower blood pressure were also observed. Pain relief and joint function. Saunas showed effectiveness in reducing pain and improving joint function in people with conditions like arthritis, chronic back pain, and fibromyalgia. Improved mood and stress reduction. Studies showed sauna use as a potential treatment for depression and anxiety, with participants reporting improvements in mood and reductions in stress levels. Neurological protection. Research indicated an association between regular sauna bathing and reduced risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. More on this in a second. The study also mentioned benefits such as improving sleep quality, boosting the immune system, and aiding in weight management. A bonus, if you're not convinced already to jump into the heat, during a sauna, your body produces heat shock proteins, the body's natural cellular protectors. To cope with the intense heat, your body sends out an SOS signal, triggering the production of heat shock proteins. To trigger that SOS signal, you need the right temperature, which we'll cover here in a second. But think of heat shock proteins as tiny firefighters, rushing to repair damaged proteins and protecting healthy ones from the heat's assault. The added benefit, which we mentioned earlier, neuroprotection. Studies suggest heat shock proteins may play a role in protecting brain cells from damage associated with neurodegenerative diseases and cognitive decline. Call me crazy, but I feel sharper for hours after a sauna session. Okay, so you're convinced. You're ready to jump into the heat. Here's the protocol the science says to sauna correctly to get all your benefits. Get the temperature right. Aim for at least 176 degrees Fahrenheit, 80 degrees Celsius. It's hot, but that's where the magic happens. Start lower and work your way up gradually. Time it right. 11 to 30 minutes is the sweet spot. Weekly dose. Aim for 57 minutes total sauna time per week. Spread it out however you like. Just get in your heat fix. Traditional wins. Stick to the classic dry sauna. The science on infrared isn't quite there yet. Saunas aren't cheap, but you can get a reasonably priced one like an Almost Heaven barrel sauna for under $3,000. In the U.S., check Costco. They regularly have sales on the Almost Heaven barrel series. Look at it as an investment in your life because it's something that'll keep on giving. Don't want to buy one or don't have room for one? Check out gyms and spas. Most have them. One last thing. If you have any health concerns, check with your doctor before jumping into the heat. So grab your towel, jump into a sauna, add a few drops of eucalyptus, and rejuvenate yourself with the benefits of this ancient Finnish wellness practice. Your move. Hey, real quick before you go, please remember to hit follow on your podcast player. You won't miss any episodes, and it helps support us bring you the show daily. Thanks for listening. We'll talk tomorrow.